Space debris is the problem of our future. As global warming gradually makes our planet more and more uninhabitable, humans will have to resort to colonization of the other planets to survive. Space debris poses as a barrier between Earth and space. We are the Fluffy Space Penguins, Team 36044, and this is a video about our project on space debris. What is space debris? Space debris is also known as space junk, and pieces of it orbit the Earth. Most space junk falls back to Earth, as one piece of space debris falls back to Earth a day on average. The rest stay in the atmosphere. About 13,000 known pieces of debris are more than 10 centimeters in diameter. More than 100,000 pieces are known to be from 1 to 10 centimeters in diameter. For objects less than 1 centimeter in diameter, numbers can reach tens of millions of pieces of debris. On top of this, the amount of space debris junk is rapidly increasing. Why is space debris a problem for us? Well, space debris poses a problem for rockets and satellites as they can collide with them. Collision between two masses in space, debris or not, creates thousands more pieces of debris, which is why the amount of space debris is rapidly increasing. Space debris has a very high velocity on average, reaching speeds of 4.3 to 5 miles per second on average, 7 times faster than a bullet. Numerous spacecraft have had to replace their windows due to collisions with space debris. Now, what are we currently doing about it? The Department of Defense keeps a highly accurate catalog on objects orbiting Earth bigger than a softball. Now, this is not a very broad range, so many objects remain untracked from this. NASA and DoD cooperate to track discrete objects as small as 2 inches in diameter. NASA has also performed experiments with satellites, sending them up into space for some time and then taking them back down to see what damage they might have. Now, what solutions have been created to solve space debris? Well, Remove Debris satellite was recently developed that is equipped with a net and can shoot at the net to catch space debris. The net would then fall back to Earth, burning up in the atmosphere, effectively taking the space debris out of the atmosphere. SPADE, a project currently studied by Raytheon in U, Michigan, can remove debris from orbit by sending out pulses of atmospheric gases, which is pretty cool. NASA has a set of guidelines for determining if the threat of space debris in proximity of a spacecraft is sufficient enough to warrant evasion. Our solution combines the best parts of some of the solutions listed above. Our solution starts with an improvement of removed debris. We figured that removed debris was not very efficient, so our fix is to equip every spacecraft with a net. The idea here is to prevent more space debris from being created. The amount of space debris increases at a rapid rate because when one collision occurs, it triggers a chain reaction, creating more and more and more space debris. As a precaution, we would also have a magnet to pull in debris before it hits any spacecraft. Most space debris has many magnetic metal components such as iron, magnesium, and so forth. Our solution greatly reduces the threat of humans being hit by space junk because our solution prevents more space junk from being created, along with protecting spacecraft. In order to create our solution to space debris, we needed lots in trial of error. Our first idea was to slingshot space junk out of the atmosphere. This proved to be ineffective, however, because it didn't solve the problem. Our second idea was to transport space junk back to Earth, just like remove debris. This also proved to be very difficult. After seeing an article on remove debris, we decided to build off of remove debris. We saw ways to improve on remove debris, such as equipping aircraft and spacecraft with remove debris and adding magnets as a precaution. This is how we came to our final solution. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.